Mottles, is your girl sedated? No, like seriously. As some of you might know, that I've been having a little bit of a hard time, and so the other day I got so emotional that I just wanted the emotions to like stop. So my mother took me to an after-hour doctor, and I begged for sedation. I told them that after I got out of the hospital earlier this year that I was given Valium to wheedle myself off after a little bit, which is my way of saying that I just lowered each dosage each time I took the Valium until I didn't have to take any anymore, which was not difficult because despite the fact it's an addictive drug, it's not like, my body's quite sensitive to it, so I don't really need a lot. But I asked for something a little bit safer, a little bit more appropriate for not only someone who's still medicated with other stuff, but also just has less risk factors attached to it. So yeah, I was given a medication called Propranolol. This is used to lower your heart rate. It did really well for my nervous systems and my nervous system's reaction to my emotions. However, I still had a lot of these bad residual thoughts going throughout my head, and I said, no, I need something else. I went, called an ambulance again, went to the ER, and took them hours to just give me a drug I could have gotten over the counter. I was given Phenergan, which is a thing people usually take as an antihistamine. Yeah, the two together, I can feel like in my body, which is good because the main thing I feel is cortisol running through my veins whenever I'm stressed. Ugh. Okay, so my mind's a little weird. My short-term memory sucks right now, and I keep on losing my train of thought whenever I'm trying to think or explain something. So like, here's I don't even know what they're called anymore. Here's a makeup video of me being a drugged up mess. I will say two responsible things. One, these drugs were given to me by doctors. Like, I have been explaining things to a bunch of experts so they can keep me as safe as possible. Two, even though I did get these things from a doctor, I still have to be careful with them because this is medication. It's just, and I have low blood pressure and all that. So the more I slow my heart rate down, the more I have to be conscious of eating or something like that in order to, not have my heart rate so low that I end up fainting again. So there is a few things to be mindful of whether you're taking, drugs for a shorter period of time or long-term uses. So that is a thing to consider. These drugs are specifically for my meltdowns because they are so strong. Nothing else. I'm not meant to be taking these forever. I mean, hopefully I won't take the effects are forever anyway, but still. And this little guy is the second plush toy I've ever gotten from the hospital. I haven't named this man yet. You should help me think of a name. The Ambos gave me this in a big hug when I was sad. Enjoy my suffering. I forgot how to do this even though I do it every day. This is Poreless Putty Primer by Elf. I want to be an elf for Christmas. Then we bash it into the pores, bashing up our pores, 'cause violence has been normalized. Now that none of my acne has been gotten rid of, foundation will found our nation. It farted. Dye foundation and put it on my hand, and now it feels gross. I'm gonna put it on my face anyway. My trauma gone. Depression, anxiety. We can't see her no more. I can't find my eyebrows. Stop. Going. This is a Morphe palette. I'm mixing this one in with this one to make a brown for my brows. No, 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 no. Brow do do do, brow do 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 do. Now this is the Born This Way concealer by Toothface, and we go this way. Oh, this is so hot. I got the same colors for my eyebrows and then just put them on the side. Now I'm going in to an old Jeffree Star X Morphe palette. Angel is something. The brown. Got get a little more that color. Now got a little more. Put it on the side. Oh, guess I should blend out this way. This way. I'm gonna go into 1985. Blend that into the middle. Now we got this down. No. I don't know. Now into designer label and millions, and I'm going to go over the inner corner like this. It's irritating my eyeballs. Diddy-doos. I don't know. Back to concealer. And it's going how I do my eyeshadow. I do it under here, and then I go. Oh, I've got this little brush that's like squared off, and I'm going to go into this Revolution makeup palette and go into this pink reflect color because it's pretty. And I'm gonna see if I can just line like this bit. Now going back into the Morphe Everyday Chic palette. I'm getting this sparkle pink color, which these aren't labeled. I'm gonna put that into where the other pink meets the unicorn. Kinda like these. Eyeliner. Just use whatever eyeliner you have. I don't give a shit. I'm just highlighting my eyeball. Nah. This is powder that I put on with two things. I do a lot and worked in here on the nose and the corn greasy bits of my face, and then with the rest of the face I just do a bit of this. Oh, mascara! This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Better than sex with any boy. It'd be so funny if I just started crying right now. Okay. What am I doing? This is actually a foundation brush, but I like using it for contouring because I don't give a shit. Okay. So screw all you women doing your bloody faces every time you do your contouring. No, you do this thing. Then you go. This is more toothpaste stuff. I almost said toothpaste. There's this little love heart highlighter. It's highlighter. It's highlighter. Okay. I haven't even done blush yet. This is YSL lip stain. It's my favorite lip product of all time, and I need all of these in every color because this is the most comfortable and like beautiful thing that's ever been on my lips. Okay. Blush. I almost forgot. Blush. This is the Revolution blush palette. I'm gonna go in this one and this one. Okay. I'ma put my eyelashes on off screen and do a smexy montage for you. You're welcome. Bye. Sexual.